Hello everyone, welcome on board of this stunning sailing boat Sensi 55 from Beneteau, designed by Berera Coupeau. With from 2012, but I would say it's like a very good condition. So I will highly suggest you to discover the amazing features you have on this splendid sailing yacht. So first of all, yes, this cockpit is amazing. Everything is centered, so you can easily sail with a group of 2 people. So she's well equipped because when she was purchased, owner purchased it with all the options provided by Beneteau. So she's up to date to the maintenance and even more. About the sail, very important point, the sails are brand new. So you have a brand new sails from 2024 from Delta Voile. And yeah, I would say it's a perfect combination of what Beneteau did so far the best in this category of boats. Yeah, she's good for small cruise, but she can handle world tour. She's configured with 3 cabins with 3 bathrooms, so you have a lot of space inside. What is nice inside is very bright. Is the particularity of this Sensi 55. She is delivered with, you have choices of 2 tender. Definitely feel free to contact me and drop me a message. I will highly recommend her to visit her and to purchase her for your next holiday, your next trip. See you soon, bye bye.